Hello, this is BJ from BJD Customs. I'm going to be applying a vinyl decal to my Jeep today using the BJD Customs Vinyl Prep Kit. The kit includes a prep spray bottle, instructions, alcohol wipes, and a squeegee. I recommend you apply your decal in an area that's out of direct sunlight. This is going to give you a little extra working time with the prep spray. The first step is really important. You're going to take that alcohol pad and you're going to wipe over the whole area for your vinyl application, making sure you remove any dust, dirt, or oil that may be there. It's not a bad idea to go over that area again with the second alcohol wipe just to make sure it is thoroughly clean and ready for that vinyl to be applied. Step 2, you're going to take the prep spray and spray the entire area for your vinyl application. Make sure to spray generously, don't leave any dry spots. The prep spray is great because it is going to allow you to be able to make any fine adjustments you may need to get the best fit for your vinyl decal. It's also going to allow you to work out any of those air bubbles that may be caught underneath. After you've carefully removed the backing of your vinyl decal, you're going to place it over that area with the prep spray. As you can see, I have a little bit of wiggle room here. That prep spray is going to allow me to slide my decal exactly where I want it. Without that prep spray, you could end up with lots of wrinkles that will not come out, bubbles that'll be stuck, and you may not be able to get that vinyl to move where you need it to go. So you're just going to take your squeegee and you're going to carefully work from the center outward, pushing out any of that prep spray that is underneath, working out any bubbles that may be there, just applying nice, firm, even pressure as you go. Once you get your decal pressed on, all the air bubbles out, and it's nice and smooth and you are happy with the result, you are going to wait 1 hour before you remove the backing. Now, once you've waited an hour, you're going to do a little test to make sure that that vinyl is sticking and it's not peeling up. As long as it's not peeling up with that tape, you can carefully, slowly pull it off. Now, if you do have a little bit that wants to pull up, if it's not staying on your vehicle, you can just press that corner right back down and then give it a little bit more time to let that prep spray fully evaporate underneath. And then you can go back after you've waited a bit more and then remove it. So it is important just to do a little test piece after that hour just to make sure that everything is sticking. As long as you wait, you should be good to go, and just slowly remove that backing tape until you have it all off. Now after you removed that backing, you can go as a last step and just check over the edges and just make sure that everything is pressed down and secure. When your vinyl decal application is finished, allow it to cure for several days before you wash your vehicle. And there you go. This is a simple step-by-step process you can follow to get the best application of your vinyl decals. If you are interested in purchasing a BJD Customs Vinyl Prep Kit, just visit our online shop, bjdcustoms.com. Make sure to check out our new vinyl decals on our website. We have some great decals that are designed and cut in-house using USA-sourced vinyl. We also offer custom vinyl decals as well, so if you have something special in mind for your vehicle, feel free to reach out to us at sales@bjdcustoms.com.